front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit, click on notifications and tap on app notifications at the top. Following that, select all over here. Click on the best option for you, most recent, most frequent, or notifications turned off, in my case most frequent, and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. As you can see after that, all notifications from my app are off. If you want to turn them back on, click on the same, now grey switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!